Hi guys, and today topic is arrays. Arrays is a today topic, and for now, previously I will so many topics I explained it very crystal clearly. And first of all, that videos I will provide in description. You check it out. And thank you for watching. And please subscribe my channel. And let's start the array topic. Array is nothing but similar kind of elements. Java provides a data structure, the array, which store fixed size is equally collection of elements same type. An array uses store a collection of data, but after more useful think of array is a collection of variables of the same type. Same type. I will explaining I will explaining frequently and one, this topic is clearly and yeah, array array is a group of similar elements. Okay, there is a group of similar elements. The syntax is int sub. Int is a data type, sub is a variable value, variable name, array list name. This is a array list name, and this is a elements, and this is a prints. And I will explain practically you understanding more and write it and let's start the video. I will create one project. I will create one project Java first program, and after I'm create one package, and after I'm create an arrays and one class, and I am installing some values. One int b2 int c3 abcd 4 cde cdef. I want six data types, six integer values, or six values stored in program. This program main advantage is six values I will store it. That my commitment is six values stored in same program. That is my commitment, and that commitment I will print that values. That values is my printed in same. I am providing plus a plus b plus c plus e plus e plus f control s. These values, and these values I will print it, and I will print these values. I will store these values and print these values. These values printed in program. How many lines are taking this program? Is 19 lines. 19 lines is taking the program. And six values stored and six values printed. This I'm taking six values stored, six values printed. These so many lines are taking this array program. That's a bad, very bad programming. That is a very bad programming. Any programming that is very bad thing, and don't do this, friends. Don't do this. I this type of problem. This type of problem they overcome that arrays. This type of problem overcome that arrays will helping this type of problems. Arrays helping this type of problems. First int value I will will told that this and data type array list and array values. Let's do this same and int and sub and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is the array. And why are you calling this? How to calling this array? I will store it in 8 members. Stored 8 members, but how to calling this? I'm stored in 6 integer values, that integer values, 8 6 integer values. How to call it this arrays? That's a simple to calling this. Yes, control and let's do it. And sub index values are there. In what is index values? Index values nothing but zeros starting to 0. Okay, 0 to starting to 0 0 1 2 3 4, and index values are there starting to index values. And I will choose that index values, index values. Well, 0 1 0 2 3 4 5. This is the index values. This is the index value started from 0. Okay, this is the index values started from 0. And this type of index value started from 0. I will show you this. I will show to another sub and 3. Control S. I will save it, and you understand it like int is sub and 1 2 3 4 5. These values index values to print this system dot out dot println. I will just print that, and 1 and 3 3 is 4 4, and this type of index values is printed. And very I'm explained very clearly. And arrays is nothing but and data savings, very useful to data. And the array is data saving, very useful in real-time projects, and I will explain clearly. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.